Samsung surprised Galaxy S fans earlier this year by abandoning its two-chipset strategy for the Galaxy S23 series and powering the flagship trio with a Qualcomm chip in every market. This suggests that the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra may feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and that the S24 Plus may receive significant display upgrades. Exynos was no longer in the picture, but only briefly. Next year, the Exynos chip will allegedly make a comeback in the Galaxy S series, but things will reportedly change anyway. According to a recent report, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset will be used to power the Galaxy S24 Ultra exclusively globally. For the rest of the 2024 range, that won't be the case, but according to reports, Samsung will make an exception for the Ultra model. According to market statistics from Angia, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be Samsung's best-selling flagship in the first half of 2023. It was actually the best-selling Android device globally, and some people believe that the Snapdragon exclusivity was a factor in this success. However, while the base and Plus models equally benefited from this chip exclusivity, they fell short of the top 10 list because fans appeared to favor the Ultra model. Samsung may have put itself in a bind by saving the Snapdragon chip for the 2023 flagship models alone. It may not be simple for Samsung to return to its traditional two-pronged approach and divide the market between Exynos and Snapdragon CPUs throughout the whole flagship series, given that many fans favor Snapdragon over Exynos. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the as-yet unannounced Exynos 2400 SoC will be used in various areas, according to current speculation. While the Snapdragon chip will be used by the Galaxy S24 Ultra worldwide to please fans. The Exynos 2400 chip, which is supposed to have 10 CPU cores and twice as many GPU cores as the Exynos 2200, appears good on paper, particularly given that Samsung had much more time to create it. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Samsung Galaxy includes 8 CPU cores, some of which have faster clock speeds than the chip's base model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.